Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is a new and latest Google Pixel and Motorola Edge cases from SUPCASE. Anyway, let's go ahead and open this up and see what they look like. By the way, I'd like to give a shout out to their marketing team for sending me this so I could do this review for you guys. Never mind, this one is the OnePlus 10 Pro UB style black color, and it is made in China. Wow, nice. So speaker grill, microphone, and then your USB Type-C charging port. You got the plus and minus volume rocker. There's also an additional microphone on the top. Then you got the clear backing right here with a gray border around it. Pretty nice. Go and see what else we got here. This one's the Galaxy 2021 S21FE UB Pro SP tilt. Yeah, this one is pretty nice. It comes with the holster and then a rotating bell clip. And this one also has a on-screen protector. Got this flap for your USB Type-C charging port. Cutout opening for your speaker grill. Microphone on the top. Got the power button and plus and minus volume rocker. Cutout opening for your flash and then camera. Carbon fiber finish right here. And this one's the bifold kickstand. Got the landscape or the portrait. be sure to take out this inner and outer protector layer. And be sure to press down this once you peel this off, so you can read your fingerprint correctly. See what else we got here. Well, this one is the Fitbit Charge 5 UB Pro Black. Oh, looks pretty good. You got a different hole right here for different adjustment size for your wrist. You got a nice rubber guard which will protect your watch. So according to the instruction, you put it upside down and then push the inner watch into here, and then that's it. It's a nice carbon finish on the side of the looks. Well, let's go and see what else we have here. This one is the Surface Pro 8 UB Pro black color. Wow, very nice. It's got a color opening right here on the bottom. So I believe that's allow you to attach the keyboard, magnetic keyboard. And this is what it look like on the backing. Nice carbon fiber look. Finish over here. It's like a rubberized material, in case you guys are wondering. And you got a nice kickstand right here. And this is magnetic. So I give you a lot of different adjustment that will allow you to adjust a different angle, one click at a time. And the other cutouts, I believe those are the volume rocker. Like an air ventilation hole right there to cool out your Surface Pro. By the power button, microphone, and then an additional USB port. This one might be for your stylus, I think. I'm not too sure. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.